Hi, when using iMapp to run your CMAs, you will select your property and then hit Find Comparables on the right. You want to make sure that you are comparing apples to apples. What this means is that you're looking for similar properties. Simply locate the comparison criteria and you want to make sure that your lot size is set to 20%, your living area is set to 20%, your location is set to half a mile from your subject property and sold within the last 6 months. You want to set to default, and this is going to give you the most similar properties that are sold within the last 6 months in a half a mile radius around the subject property. If you have no results, then you want to switch either half a mile to 1 mile, or you want to go out to 1 year and then hit update criteria to find more comparables. Always try to leave the same lot size and living area size so you have similar properties to compare. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a Miami member.